वेलकम टू आवर चैनल बी ऑलवेज लर्नर। इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 12.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 बेस्ड ऑन द हिरन्स फॉर्मूला कवर करेंगे। आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा, आप लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 is given by that the Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with color paper as shown in the figure 12.15 and find the area of the paper used. पेपर यूज हुआ है उसका हमें एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है। So first we have to find out section wise. So this is section 1, this is section 2, this is section 3, this is section 4 and 5. We are having total 5 sections are there. Now starting with the section 1. So section 1 we are going to see. So section 1, we are just separate the section 1 so that we can understand this section, this section 1. So I can have this section 1. Now I want to draw the dimension. This is 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter because here it is 1 centimeter written out there. So this is 1 centimeter. So for that we can apply the Heroin's formula. The sides of the triangle, the sides of the triangle PQR. So we can mark it. This is P, this is Q, and this is R. We can label it. Now the sides are A, which is 5 centimeter, B, this is also 5 centimeter, this is C, this is 1 centimeter. So we are having three sides. We can find out the semi parameter. This is A plus B plus C, that is divided by 2. We can put the value of ABC divided by 2. This comes out to be 5 by 5 centimeter. Now we can calculate the area of triangle PQR, right? So we can use the Heroin's formula to calculate it, right? So we can just draw it. Now we can have the formula, that is S minus A, S minus B and S minus. We are having all the values. Now value of S is 5.5 and multiplied by S minus A. Value of S we are having 5.5 minus A, that is 5, so it will be 0.5. Again the value of the side is same. Now it is 5.5 minus 1, so it is 4.5, right? So we are having 5.5. So we can write 55 divided by 11 by 10 and multiplied by 5 by 10, and this is 5 by 10 and this is 45 by 10. That's how we can easily write. So we can make the pairs of 10. So it will be 1 by 10 into 10. Now this is 5. So we can write 5 here multiplied by 5. Now here the 55 can be written as 11 into 5. So we can have 5 here because 9 into 5 is also there. And now 3 is also there. In the square root we are having 11. After multiplying all these, we are having 5 5s are 25 and 3s are 75. So it is 0.75. 0.75 the square root 11. So after finding the 11 square root, we are having 2.48 centimeter square. So this is the section 1 area. Now we can go for the section 2. Now section 2 is a rectangular section. This is the rectangular section we are having, right? So it is having breadth and length, which is 6.5 and 1. We can write here the area of rectangle, which is equal to length into breadth. So length is what? We are having 6.5 centimeter. What is breadth? Breadth is 1 centimeter. So we have to just multiply it. So this is 6.5 into 1. So this is what? This is area of rectangle. This is equal to 6.5 centimeters. That's how we can go. Now, another is section 3. The section 3 we are having. सेक्शन 3 के लिए हम क्या करने वाले हैं यहाँ पर सेक्शन 3 हमारे पास थोड़ा छोटा सेक्शन है तो उसको हम थोड़ा मैग्नीफाई कर लेते हैं यहाँ पर से वी आर हैविंग दिस इज आर सेक्शन फाइन दिस इज आर सेक्शन हियर so this is our section we can easily have it fine so for that we can draw a straight line this end to this end this end to this end. So it means area of this is divided into three portions the triangular portion two triangular portion and one rectangular portion. So these two triangles are same. So we can just write A, B, this point is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is A. So these are the sides we are having. So we can find out the area of section 3 that is equal to 2 times because दोनों जो triangles हैं वो identical हैं. Area of triangle A, B, C plus that is close the area of rectangle that is B, D, E and C. So that's how we can write. So area of triangle we have to find out. So area of triangle will be 2 into 1 by 2 into that is base into height. So base is A into B and height is B in BC, right? Plus area of rectangle means length into breadth. So length that is BD into DE. So that's how we can write. So this will become 2 to cancel. This will be AB into BC plus BD into DE. So now, are you having value of AB? This value of AB we are having like the complete length of this line is 2 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. So this dimension, this line is 1 centimeter, right? So this line left, this addition of this and this line will be 1 centimeter because both the triangles are identical. So it will be 0.5. So we can write that because AB is equal to 1 by 2 centimeter and next BC. This BC is also there. Now we are not knowing the value of this. So because it is right angle triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem that is BC value of BC we have to find out that is AC raised to the power 2 minus AB raised to the power 2 and square root of all these terms. So that is equal to value of AC that is 1 raised to the power 2 AB that is 1 by 2 raised to the power 2 within square root. So this is comes out to be 1 minus 1 by 4 square root. That is comes out to be 3 by 4 square root. That is comes out to be under root 3 by 2. ये हो गया इतने सेंटीमीटर. ये हमने निकाला BC का लेंथ. तो हमें यहाँ पर BC की जरूरत है और AB की जरूरत है. AB हमारे पास आ गया 1/2 और BC हमने फाइंड आउट किया अंडर रूट 3/2, राइट. प्लस नाउ BD is 1 centimeter, so this is 1 centimeter into DE. Now DE is equivalent to BC, so BC is what? Under root 3 divided by 2. You can also write this is equal to DE, right? So that is all about. Now we have to add it all. So this is under root 3 divided by 2. This is 1/2 plus 1. So that's how we can do that. So this is comes out to be under root 3 divided by 2. This will come out to be 3/2. So it is 3 under root 3 divided by 2 centimeter. So this value is for the section 3. Now another is we have to find out for section 4. Section 4. In section 4, we have to calculate the value. This section 4 and this section 5 are equal. So we are having the base and the height of the triangle. So that is 1.5 and 6. So you can easily calculate the area of the triangle is area of the section 4 plus, or we can say that is equal to the area of section 4, 5 are equal. We can directly deal with the area 4 and 5. So area of section 4 is equal to 1/2, that is base into height, that is equal to 1/2. The value of base is 1.5 and value of height is that is 6. So that is 6, that is equal to 1.5 into 3. So that is 4.5, right? So that is 4.5 centimeter. So that is this one. So now the area of section 5 is also the same. So this is 4.5 centimeter. This is part 2. Now the complete area of the paper, is equal to, we can have all the areas. We can just add all the areas. So this is 2.45. We are having 2.45. We can write 2.48 plus 6.5 and plus 4.5 and plus 4.5. We have to convert the section 3 area into decimal. 3 under root 3 divided by 2. So this area will be 1.5 into 1.73 centimeter square. So this is in centimeters. That is equal to 3, 2, and this is 1 and 1, 2 and 3. So this is 3.25 centimeters square. So this is 3.23, that is equal to. Now we add all these. So this will give us the total formula, the total area, that is 8 plus 3, that is 1. So this will 3 and 8, 13 plus 5. So this is comes out to be 2 and 0.12. That is approximately, that is your answer. That is approximately. So that is the answer for this question. This is lengthy question. So try to understand it clearly, and please understand and please like the video and subscribe.